Welcome to my channel, The Purple Poncho. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how to make the alternating berry stitch. This crochet stitch is made using basic stitches in single crochet and the chain. It makes beautiful fabric and has a lot of texture. You're going to love making this fun stitch. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website at thepurpleponcho.com. Thank you for being here, and let's get crocheting. Today I'll be making this sample in Red Heart with Love, and the color is called Bluebell. It's a number 4 medium or worsted weight yarn. I'm also using my size J crochet hook 6mm. I have a sample here to show you before we get started to show you how beautiful and how full of texture this stitch is. This fabric. So the fabric on one side has all these bumps, and then on the reverse side it makes a very beautiful stitch as well. It's a flat stitch. There's no bumps on this side, but it's very beautiful. And then on the front you have all these little knobs or berries or baubles. Okay, so let's get started. To begin, make a slip knot and place it on your hook. The stitch multiple is any odd number plus 1. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 1 for my turning chain. We're going to begin with a row of single crochet, going back to your second stitch from your hook. The one that has the yarn coming out of it does not count as this stitch. Well, it counts as a stitch, but we're not going to go in there. So that's your first one, and then we're going to go back to the second one. Make a single crochet and continue going down, making a single crochet in each stitch. So we'll have 7 single crochet stitches at the end of the round. So this is row 1. Okay. So we have 7 V's going across, 6, 7. Okay. Row 2, chain 1 and turn. And now this is where we're going to start making our berry stitch. Single crochet in that very first stitch, single crochet in the next. We're going to make a berry stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, chain 3 right here, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, so it's looking like that, and I take my finger and I push it to the front and come down to your next available stitch and make a single crochet in there, and that finishes your berry stitch. Isn't that neat? Okay, so now we're going to make another berry stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up, chain 3, yarn over, pull through 2, kind of push it to the front a little bit, squish it down together, and go in your next stitch and make a single crochet and single crochet in the last stitch. So we started with 2 singles. We did a berry, a single, a berry, and 2 singles. So 2 singles on the edges, and we still have 7 stitches going across. Row 3, chain 1 and turn, and this is a plain single crochet row. We're just going to put 1 single in every stitch going across. And when I get to the berry, I kind of push it down a little bit so I can get my hook in there. And make a single all the way across, so we have 7 single crochets going across. And now chain 1 and turn, And to make this the alternating berry stitch, this time single crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to berry stitch in the next. So chain 3, yarn over, pull through 2, push it to the front, single crochet in the next, insert in the next stitch, pull up, chain 3, yarn over, pull through 2, push it to the front, and single in the next. And one more berry stitch, chain 3, yarn over, pull through 2, push it to the front, and single crochet in the last stitch. So on this row, we have one single at both ends, and then the 3 berry stitches in the middle. Okay? So they're going to start staggering like this. So alternating. So chain 1 and turn. Again, row 5 is just a single crochet row going all the way across. Five, 6, and 7. And that is our repeat, rows 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we're going to start again on a row 2. And we're going to start with single crochet in the first 2 stitches. 1, 2. Berry stitch in the next stitch. Single in the next. Berry stitch in the next. And single in the last 2. 1 and 2. So you can see how they're starting to go like this. And they're going to keep going like this. And then when you have your bigger piece, you can see on the end we have 2 singles here, 1 single here, 2 singles here, 1 single here. So it goes kind of like a zigzag, it's alternating. I have another berry stitch where I have them lined up in rows, straight rows, instead of alternating or staggering. So I will leave a link for that as well if you would like to make them that way. This is a really fun pattern. I like the way it looks. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial on the alternating berry stitch. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website at thepurpleponcho.com for more crochet, knit, and Tunisian crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Thank you for being here and crocheting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day.